A very good morning, Team Zimbabwe. Mamuka say. Things are going in the right direction. Kupatia advocate Nelson Chamisa CCC. He was in Gweru meeting the Midlands cluster leaders and candidates. And it was extremely electric. So Team Zimbabwe, we need to place this right here onto the screen so that you actually see for yourself the numbers which are there. People who were in Midlands, and if you take a look onto the numbers there, you can see thousands of people meeting because they are demanding change, because they want change. President Nelson Chamisa is determined to make sure that change comes to the nation of Zimbabwe, and this is happening vachida vasingade, and they are so worried. Why is it President Chamisa is doing this? And this time around, these meetings are anonymous, but take a look on the people who are attending them. So you understand, change will not come free, but change will definitely come. When we say change will definitely come, a lot of people would think that we are bluffing, but we know for sure that change is definitely coming. This is more of a rally. These are just leaders. That is the reason why you see President Nelson Chamisa saying, we are deeply rooted into the people. We are in the people. We are everywhere. And if you take a look on how organized this team is, you actually believe that they are ready to form a new government. They are ready to bring change to the nation of Zimbabwe. Who can stop what God has allowed? No man. So they will fight. They will do everything. That is the reason why they are throwing tantrums on CCC to try and force themselves on CCC and find avenues of stopping advocate Nelson Chamisa. I always say, election vangadai vasina kana any problem, vangadai vasina kana any challenge in terms of governance, vangadai vachinyatsoziva kuti zvinhu zvavo zvakarongeka, but because havana kuwina this election, they are afraid and they do not know what is going to happen next. That is the reason why they are trying by all means possible and all means necessary to stop advocate Nelson Chamisa. But is it going to work? I doubt it is going to work. So he was there, and in a tweet yesterday, he said, in Midlands at the citizens interface with cluster leaders from across the province, thank you, fellow citizens, for your solid support. The next steps are clear. A flawed election cannot stand. One people. So the message is clear. A flawed election cannot stand. This is the message he's sending across. So he's left with Matabeleland South, with Matabeleland North, with Bulawayo. I believe that those are the provinces which are left right now, because he has covered the Mashonaland provinces. He has gotten to Masvingo, to Midlands, and I believe that maybe, probably, Harare will be last. And it is going to be a very interesting moment. After that, be assured, Kuti, you will see action after action. You will see the president embarking on massive activities of implementation of this agreement. Remember that in 2021, he did the same. He was moving around Zimbabwe, meeting people, meeting supporters, and he came up with a resolution to have Citizens Coalition for Change as a party. And the party was launched, and it became elected. As small as it is, it has managed to keep ZANU-PF in check. It has managed to give ZANU-PF sleepless nights. That is what is expected for a political organization. So I believe that this is a very strong political organization. I believe that this is a party which is going to be able to dislodge ZANU-PF for once and for all and bring change to the nation of Zimbabwe. So it is what it is. I don't know, guys. In the comment section, please let us have a discussion. Let us talk. What do you think about these interfaces? Myself, I believe that we are closer. We are getting